Hello! Today we are going to talk to you about a very exciting animal. Pig!
Pig. Pig.
Pigs are adorable and intelligent animals that can live on farms and in the wild. People have been raising them for thousands of years. Pigs have short legs, strong bodies, and very special noses. Their noses are powerful and help them dig through the soil to find food. Some pigs have short, soft hair, while others have thick and rough fur. In addition, some pigs have long, curved tusks. These tusks, especially in wild pigs, help protect them from danger. Pigs' ears are also very sensitive. They have excellent hearing and can detect danger before it gets too close. Their eyes may be small, but they carefully observe their surroundings. Some people think that pigs are dirty animals. But this is not true. Pigs are actually very clean. Then why do they roll in the mud? Because pigs don't have sweat glands, they roll in mud to cool themselves down. Mud also protects them from insects and sunburns. Pigs can live in many different places around the world. They are generally divided into two groups. Domestic pigs. These pigs live on farms, and people take care of them. Wild pigs. These pigs live in forests and open fields. They use their strong noses to dig up food and survive on their own. Wild pigs usually travel in groups and are more active at night. Pigs are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animal-based food. Some of their favorite foods include fruits, apples, pears, grapes, vegetables, carrots, pumpkins, potatoes, grains, corn, wheat, small insects, and worms. Wild pigs find their own food in nature. Pigs have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. In ancient times, some cultures even considered pigs sacred. Today, pigs are raised on farms, and in some places, they are even kept as pets. In fact, in some countries, people keep mini pigs as pets. These pigs are smaller and can form strong bonds with their owners.